17-year-old. I born and brought up in my village, Kanpur district, Fatehpur, Uttar Pradesh. I completed my 10 plus 2 from Ghatampur, Kanpur Nagar. In current, I am doing graduation with the Kanpur University. My parents teaches us ideal manner. I am positive and hard worker. I am good learner and listener. My hobbies are reading historical knowledgeable books which give me new knowledge. I like to play outdoor games like cricket and football. Friends, the topic given to us today for the discussion is about China. The apps ban who is related, which related China. In current, we are read in the newspaper and see that our government take decision that they are ban 59 apps which is belong to China government. The main reason to take this decision is the security, because we are feel that information that some data is stolen by the China's government. It is my opinion is that it is good step, but it is also affected lots that there are lots of users that they are use the China's apps and earn money, but they are affected. This decision affected I like these people, and the main reason that our government take like these decision that they are promote which is made in India apps, and they are promote our India's capability.
Good afternoon to all of you. I am Shadab Ahmed from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. My father, Mr. Mehdi Hasan, is a farmer. My mother is a housewife. If I talk about my qualification, I have completed 10 plus 2 from UP board with 85% marks, and now pursuing graduation. My hobbies are playing cricket and watch movies. In spare time, I read motivational books as Wings of Fire and Swami Vikas Ka Vyaktiv. My mission to join Indian Air Force as an air warrior, because it is my parents' dream. We are gathered here to discuss the topic. Topic is the Chinese app which are banned in our India. In June 2020, there are 59 apps which are banned in our country totally. In my point of view, this is a good initiative of our government, because the apps which are running in our country are dangerous for our country, because they are stealing data. In this way, our Ministry of Technology and Broadcasting had banned these apps. This is good for it. And if we talk about the employment, there are many types of employees who are working in this area. When these apps are banned, they are totally unemployed. Thank you.
Good afternoon, all of you. My name is Ankesh Sachan and I am 19 years old. I was born in Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh, from where I have done my graduation. If I talk about my family, my father is an electrician and my mother is a tailor. My hobbies are playing outdoor games, especially cricket and badminton. In my free time, I usually make drawings and sketches. I want to join Indian Air Force because it's a job full of adventure, pride and satisfaction. And also I want to improve the financial condition of my family. So these are some reasons, that's why I want to join Air Force. Now I would like to come to my topic, that is about Chinese app ban in India. Few days before, Indian government banned some Chinese apps, about 59 Chinese apps, including TikTok and many more. The decision was taken by the Indian government, which I appreciate it. The reason behind banning these Chinese apps was Chinese government was stealing users' data and using wrong purpose to manipulate the data, and also many of the Chinese app users who became unemployed after banning these apps. In my opinion, I want to say that our government is doing
Enough.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ritik Sachan. I hail from Ghatampur, Kanpur Nagar. My father name is Mr. Satish Sachan. I have pursued master's from Marquis Dan Babula Inter College, Umri, Kanpur Nagar. I have now I'm pursuing Bachelor of Science from Janata Mahavidyalaya. My hobbies are singing song, dancing and playing outdoor games. I want to join the Indian Air Force because Air Force settled my life very earlier, gave adventures life, and equal to the all sector boys. Now I'm going to speak about the banning of the Chinese app. Why Chinese app? Because the mostly of the app was from China, and I am really appreciating this decision of our government, because this was the security of our India, because in the previous day our government had found that many of the hackers are active in Mumbai and they are hacking our data. I think this is the reason of security purpose, but we cannot deny also that it is the reason of the Make in India, because 20 lakh crore rupees are given to our countrymen for to grow the Make in India programs. So I think it is also beneficial for us, because if we will ban it, if we will focus on our India's technology, and it will be a very good for us, and it will be also affect a very effect and a surprise for the China's tech world, because in this time the crisis are going on, but Chinese app and Chinese technology is going on, and day by day. What is the reason behind it? Because the Chinese apps and Chinese technology is going on all over the world. If we will ban it, if we will focus on our India, I think it will be a beneficial for it, and our India will be grow and more grow, and our India will be developed in our future.
Good afternoon, gentlemen. I am Parlam Jidube. I hail from Kanpur. I was brought up in Kanpur, which is famous for leather industry. I developed my education in 2018. I completed my intermediate with 82% marks. Now I am pursuing for BSc and also preparing for Indian Air Force. Now what about my family background? My father is a farmer and my mother is a housewife. We are 4 siblings. The positive and personality are that I am good learner, diligent and smart worker. My hobbies are playing cricket and Rajal in the morning. To become the part of Indian Air Force has been the dream of my life since my childhood. To accomplish this dream and to support my family, I want to join Indian Air Force. And today we are here to discuss about the topic. The topic is ban of Chinese app in India. In my point of view, it is a very good step which is taken by Indian government, and because some users are there who is complained that they are thefting their data, and another reason is that our governments want to promote the use, because a campaign which is running by our Prime Minister Make in India vision. So when we ban that in these 59 apps, we can got chance to make apps which is related to India, and it will be also beneficial for our economy. If I talk about its impact, in sometimes it will be a bad for some people, because there are a lot of people who are earning their livelihood from the Chinese apps, as TikTok, and many more apps are available in the Play Store, and they are earning their livelihood. And when our governments ban these apps, then there is a problem for them, because they earn their employment from them. So it is very bad for them.
Good afternoon, sir, and good afternoon to all of my GD friends. My name is Harsh. My father is Mr. Ramchandra Pujapati. I belong to UP at Kanpur. I have completed my 10th with 87% marks and 12th with 89% marks from UP World. Recently, I have completed my graduation from CSJIM University, Kanpur Nagar. My hobbies are playing cricket, watching movies, and reading newspaper. My strength point is that I am self-motivated and a laborious boy. My aim is to join Indian Air Force as an airman, so I am present here for the group discussion. As we know that today's topic is the banning of Chinese apps. It is a very good step taken by the government of India. Step was taken after the collapse between India and China in Ladakh. As we know, 59 Chinese app has been banned, like TikTok, Share It. It is a very good step. But it is a very good step in the point of view of security, but we can see there are many kinds of users who are illiterate and they are operating mobile phones and also using Chinese apps. Sometimes they get allow all permissions, and the result of it will be their data will be hacked by the China. It is very good for ban Chinese apps. It also affected the people who are related to the apps, who are using the Chinese apps. They are earning some money from the Chinese apps like TikToks and many other Chinese apps. It also affected their employment. And if we talk about Chinese economy, the ban of Chinese apps is also affected the Chinese economy. At last, I would say this is a good step taken by our government.
Good afternoon to all of you. My name is Hamji Singhal. I am from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my graduation this year from Kanpur University. My father is a farmer, my mother is a homemaker, my hobbies are playing cricket and also reading the Holy books. I want to join Indian Air Force because at early age we get a chance to serve our nation and improve the economical condition of our family also. And Air Force also provides us many more adventurous life. That is the reason behind it. And now I come to the topic. Topic is banning of Chinese apps. It is a very good step that has taken by our government because these apps has theft our data and these Chinese apps are also dangerous for our youth. Many more our youth young wastes their time in Chinese apps like TikTok and but sometimes it is bad for those people who earnings many more from these Chinese apps. But it is a good step for our security and privacy of our country and by this decision the economic of China decrease low and decrease and our apps that in made in India also growing day by day. That is a good step for our government.
Good afternoon all of guys. My name is Aryan Sachan. I am from Ghatampur, Kanpur Nagar. My district Kanpur is famous for the Manchester of North India. I have completed intermediate from UP Board Prayagraj. My hobbies are playing outdoor games and listening music. I am cheerful and cooperative by the nature. I easily adjust with all kind of environment. Indian Air Force is the most respected job in our society and there is no reservation and no discriminative based on color, caste, religion and selection purely on merit basis. And I want to join Indian Air Force because I want to touch the sky with glory. We are gathered here for the group discussion, so I come to the topic. The topic is ban Chinese app. India banned 2019 Chinese app, the region of data security and national security. And India bans the famous Chinese app TikTok. But we all know that many youth were using the TikTok and to create videos and earn money. But India banned Chinese app is a good step for promotion of Make in India. That it was implemented of our Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Damodar Das Modi. And at last I want to say that ban Chinese app is a good step for our government and it is a part of promotion Indians app.
Good morning. Good afternoon, sir, and good afternoon to all of you. My name is Arpit Tiwari. I am from Kanpur, UP. I was an intermediate from Marshall Inter College, and now I am pursuing my BSc third year from Kanpur University. My father name is Pradeep Kumar Tiwari. His occupation is farming. My mother name is Mrs. Sakuntala Tiwari. She is homemaker. If I talk about my hobby is playing cricket, and today we will discuss on given topic. The topic given to us is the banning of Chinese app. Recently, our Prime Minister Narendra Modi banned some 59 apps. I really appreciate our Prime Minister because the more boys are spend their time in using mobile phone like TikTok and they don't spend their time they don't spend more time in their study. So it's really good for us that our Prime Minister banned 59 apps.